Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will discuss how we can refund uh, in SHEIN. It is not easy refunding in SHEIN. I will tell you how can we refund of any item in SHEIN after purchasing. After purchasing, it's mean the product is deliver at your home. You need to return your product, and the seller will return you money after receiving his product. So you just need to click on your profile icon. When you click on your profile icon, you see different options like unpaid, processing, returns, review, or etc. You just click when you click on shift. It is not any option here. When you also click on returns, it is not. You will see not any option. You just need to click on this icon. It is a help center icon. When you click on help center, you just need to click on your refund status, or service record experiment, or refund status, or payment and action. Payment and action, when you click on it, you can see the option. Otherwise you can also directly tell to the seller that I want to return the product and I want to receive my payments, etc. It is a tutorial how we can refund of any item after purchasing product in SHEIN. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Also again, or share this video to those people who don't know about how we can refund on SHEIN.